There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight we got the Top Shack again, and this is a electric impact gun, and I have always wanted an electric impact gun. There's a lot of times that you'll be doing something on the property, and I do a lot of work shop-wise, repair-wise, but to be able to do something down at the lower barn, someplace where I don't normally have access to an air compressor, these things are super cool for that. So let's check this thing out. I picked this up on Banggood, and I'll leave a link to it, but I'm kind of excited to play with this one. And what we'll do is we'll open it up, and I'll take it outside. We'll just see if it'll pop a lug nut off and see how well it does that. So first off, I will say it's kind of nice. Nice blow molded case. Very stout. Nice latches here. And I believe this comes with some cool stuff, yeah. So we got that, 4 amp hour. That's nice. Lithium ion, it says. It's cool. Alright, and we had a charge controller there. Okay, and it does come with some sockets, which is cool, and they look really thin wall, which is nice. I don't have any thin wall impacts, so that's actually really helpful. Let's see what size they are. That's a 17. That's probably a 19. Yep, 19. And here's the main unit here. Wow, it's heavy. There we go. And that is 22. Okay. So the most common sizes right there. And I'll tell you what, that has got some heft to it. It doesn't feel cheaply built, that's for sure. And it is the model TS PW3. No load speed, 2200 RPM. And maximum torque is 550 Newton meters. I think that's about 250, maybe 300 foot-pounds, which should be more than enough for taking off lug nuts on most cars. You get into big, 10-ply tires or 10, big stuff, maybe not. But for your average passenger car, that should be more than enough. So I'm not sure if the batteries came with any juice in them, but let's give it a shot here. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's even got a light, too. Very cool. Okay. And it feels pretty well balanced with the battery on there. Nice. Pretty cool. Okay. Well, give me a second, and we will go outside, and we'll bust some lug nuts loose and see what this thing can do. All right. I'm kind of curious here. We've got it set up with a 19 millimeter, and I don't know if I showed you, but, forward and reverse is here. Now, when tightening down a tire, I always recommend using a torque stick and then a torque wrench. But just for demonstrational purposes, we'll see if we can pull one of these off here. These have been on for about 2,000 miles, so I was kind of curious to see if it'll pull it loose. They should be torqued to 100 foot-pounds, so. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, that didn't have any trouble at all taking that off. So go ahead and put that back on. Start that by hand. Pop off the socket. That on, tighten it back up. Nice. By the way, that is a 1/2 inch anvil on the end of that, so any of your 1/2 inch sockets are going to work for that. Try to use impact sockets only on it, of course, but in a pinch you could probably get away with using anything else. That's it. It's not a terribly long video. It is what it is. I look forward to seeing how well it holds up. This has been a bucket list item of mine to get one of these, and now that I have it, it'll really help out, like, fixing stuff on the farm. Tire goes flat up on the top field or something like that, and I got to deal with it. I don't have to drag it back down to the shop in order to work on it. And the technology here is definitely where it needs to be. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Take care.